Hey lovelies, welcome. I hope that you guys are doing well. Alright, so without further ado guys, I'll be doing an updo hairstyle, of course on my natural hair as you can see. And I just started off by moisturizing my hair. And as a matter of fact, like, my hair is freshly washed. It's just a thing, like anytime I'm making any hair videos at all, I just like to make sure that I do any style on freshly washed hair. So yeah, so the first thing I'm doing there is just to take out a box like section of hair at the front, and you'll see that the parting specifically going towards the back, it's not parted so straight, but as the video plays out guys, you'll see exactly why it's not that important, right? So just keep following along, okay? Okay, lovely. So as you can see, I'm just putting the rest of my hair aside so that when I'm styling the front, of course, it does not interfere whatsoever. All right. So after that is done, as it relates to the front, I'm going to flat twist it into two. So I just wanted to point out something, right? As it relates to the parting for the flat twist, it's going to be kind of slantish. But as the video plays out, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Now it's time to start flat twisting my hair, and as you can see there, I'm just applying some eco gel. I just do this to give it this neat look. And of course, you don't have to use eco gel. You could use hair wax, you could use hair oil, you could just use anything that makes you comfortable. All right. And also at the end of each flat twist, I'll be placing an elastic band just to secure the ends. Okay, lovely. So I am finished with the flat twist, and what I'm doing there is just to put my hair up in one, as I'll be, putting the Marley hair extension at the end. And so I'm gonna start off by applying some eco gel as my base, and then I'm also going to apply wax and all sorts of things. But yeah, I like to say this: as the video plays out, you'll see all that I do. All right, so just keep watching. I think this was my first or second time using this particular wax. Not the particular brand, of course, but I just don't like the hold that it offers because I've used better from this brand. But like I mentioned before, I always like to use the eco gel as my base, and then I just go ahead and apply the wax after. Now that I've put my hair up in one, I'm going to be twisting the end in two. So it's going to be one twist on the left, another big twist on the right, and then I'm going to use an elastic band or anything that you have in your position, just to secure the end of them, right? Also, as you can see, I put this clip around my hair. I was searching online to see if I see this particular clip, but unfortunately it's not online. I can say though that where I live here in Jamaica, like, you can get them in any wholesale or on the roadside from vendors. Now that my hair is up in one, what I'm doing now is just to put the Marley hair extension on top of my own hair. All right. Also, guys, I don't know if you have seen that first Marley hair video that I did. If you haven't, then definitely check it out. But what you will realize in that video and this video is that the twists are completely different, because in that first video that I made, I only twisted the Marley hair in two, but in this video I twisted it in three. And best believe it, guys, like, for me to twist it in three, or me to show you how I twisted it in three, I would have to make a separate video showing you how exactly I got it like this. All right, but what I'm doing right now is just to apply some mousse to the Marley hair. Now that the mousse is applied to the Marley hair, as you can see, I am just wrapping it around my hair. Now, best believe it, guys, like I don't have any specific instruction that I can say, yes, wrap it this way or don't wrap it that way. All I can say, is just look at what I'm doing, because best believe that I messed up quite a few times before I eventually, got it how I wanted it to be. All right, but just take a look at what I'm doing, and then yeah. Now that I've wrapped the Marley hair extension around my hair, I'm just taking some bobby pins and I'm just going to secure the base of it and also the top. But as the video plays out, you'll see, what I'm talking about. You know your girl can't leave out her scarf, right? Because with the scarf, OMG, your hair will look so much different. All right, so guys, when you're doing your hairstyle, your natural hairstyle, just don't leave out your scarf. All right, you'll see the big difference that it makes, trust me. Hello, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Guys, look how it looks so much different, huh? Just look at that. Now I'm going to be applying some gold hair ornaments. And of course, you don't have to apply any of this, because I do believe that without the hair ornaments, your hair will look so much more natural. But if you want to spice things up, you can add a little, but just don't overdo it. You get what I mean? Sometimes I tend to overdo it, I won't lie, but just ensure that if you want to apply the hair ornament, just don't overdo it, alright? I'm just trimming it a little, and then I'm going to do a little something to my edges, and then I'm gonna put on back my scarf, and then that is it. All right, please remember to like, share, and also subscribe. Okay guys, support a small YouTube channel. Okay, don't leave me out now.